Pinagkatotoo talaga, nasa Europe na ako! Let's go! Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today ay mag-ano na po kami, boarding na po kami. So ayan, I'm with Marjan. So first time namin doon sa Tbilisi. Wow! Naka-blur ka dahil. So ayan po. Ito na, tumunog na naman yung ano ko, bagahelyas. Napang tulog, fresh na fresh. Kasi 7 AM yung aming flight. We'll see you later kasi pag nasa Georgia na talaga.
We could fly a kite with our shoes off, bossa on the boombox, weather never too hot, little breeze is all I need, and off to the races, watch it fly like a spaceship, you're taking me places, starry-eyed and complacent. We could fly a kite with our shoes off, bossa on the boombox, weather never too hot, little breeze is all I need, and off to the races, watch it fly like a spaceship, you're taking me places, starry-eyed and complacent.
Hey, we're about to land. Katagaw na ni Marjan. Tagaw mo. Tagaw moment. Yung tagaw moment reveal.
Let's fly a kite with our shoes off, bossa on the boombox, weather never too hot, little breeze is all I need, and off to the races, watch it fly like a spaceship, you're taking me places, starry-eyed and complacent. Watch it catch the wind and go, see it sail the breeze afloat, and you're here with me, feeling fine, feel the grass beneath my toes. See you smile and now I know you're all mine, you're all mine.
Hi guys! So ngayon ay naghanap kami ng first meal namin. Naghanap kami ng restaurant pero look at the kung saan kami din. Para siyang may hinayhay sa taas. Ang tawa.
Ay, jari ba siya? Oh, Georgia.
We could fly a kite with our shoes off, bossa on the boombox, weather never too hot, little breeze is all I need, and off to the races, watch it fly like a spaceship, you're taking me places, starry-eyed and complacent.
Guys! Sobrang ganda! Ganda naman! Diba?
Vince, at bang man, Vince? Ano man yun nato?
Mutabok ka. Bawal day. Bawal mutabok.
Back from the land of Babuyan Island, representing.
Go. Parang taga-Thailand. Diba guys? Punta kami dun sa kabila. Bawal kasi tumawid. Nagkipusangon. Diba?
Okay.
Thank you. So I will be posting this one on YouTube, no problem, right?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
And I will write it in English and Arabic.
Okay. Tourists also from USA and Thailand. Can you share us your story, sir?
Yes, so
We could fly a kite with our shoes off, bossa on the boombox, weather never too hot, little breeze is all I need, watch it fly like a spaceship. You're taking me places, starry-eyed and complacent.
Hey! Welcome back to the channel! Meron po tayong mga taga-libre dyan. Nang libre po sa amin ng Tino. Mga taga-abha. Anong pangalan mo ito eh? Merlin? Merlin and...
Donna!
May channel ka?
Wala akong channel.
Ikaw meron ka?
Sila lang ang may channel sa
TikTok, ganyan.
Wala eh. Meron pala akong
Po-promote
channel,
natin.
Channel 2, Channel 7, and Channel 1.
Yay! So we're here at the Freedom... Ano to?
Freedom Square.
Freedom Square.
Point.
Kita niyo yun? Ah, meron din siya, oh. Diba? Meron talaga dito sa Europe. Oh, lakas makaano. Dito sa Europe. Oh, party party!
Do I go so slave? All the place I go, I love it all the way. Best well touch of
Fly a kite with our shoes off, bossa on the boombox. Weather never too hot, little breezes all I need. And off to the races, watch it fly like a spaceship. You're taking me places, starry-eyed and complacent.
Sila, yung mga found friends. Merlin. And Donna. Ito, first time din nila. Ano masasabi niyo? First day, first time.
Sa Georgia.
Sa Georgia.
So malamig, hindi katulad sa ating lugar. It's
Si Rena tayo dahil.
so mainit.
Mga si
Well, excited lang kami kasi syempre 'di ba, before kami nakarating dito, ang daming struggle. The struggle is so struggle. Like you cannot spell the struggle anymore. Dami naming may offload kami, tapos hindi pa namin alam kung magagamit ang ticket, but God's will, nandito na kami, Georgia. And tomorrow, wine tour. Inom din tayo ng alak paminsan-minsan, guys. And snow! Yay!
Okay. Question.
Ano? Maganda talaga ako.
As mga, lang ba sabihin, MOH nurse, ano yung mga kailangan yung i-prepare if gusto nilang magpunta dito sa Georgia?
Syempre, kasi nga diba, hindi namin pwede kuhanin yung ikama namin. Pero, girls and gals, kailangan nyo yung ikama ID nyo, as in yung original, with the translation of it. Tapos, yung return ticket ninyo. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yung hotel accommodations ninyo, yung itinerary ninyo, at saka yung invoice doon sa travel agency. And ano pa?
Ano pa?
Ay, wag ako. Lang. Shy akit.
Travel insurance policy. Tapos yung syempre include nyo na yung statement of account. Kahit alam kong madalas laging ubos, basta may statement of account.
Ano,
Yun
dala
lang.
pa talaga kayo ng statement sa baka?
Oo, kailangan siya.
Kailangan
Tapos, madali lang naman yun kuhanin. Yun
Online
lang.
lang yun sa online.
Online lang naman siya.
Which
Nakikita nyo
account?
dun sa... Hindi.
Saudi.
Di ba meron tayong account sa Al-Raji? So, may mobile
salary
tayo.
mo,
Makukuha nyo na
pinapasok
doon. So, as long as makita lang nila na may pumapasok palagi doon na pera. Pero, prepare lang namin. Pero dahil nga sa wala kaming ikama na mapakita, na-offload kami. So guys, alam niyo na. Sa mga taga-MOH yan. na may balak pumunta ng Georgia.
Is it
Yun
best
yun.
na mag-spend ng Christmas sa Georgia? So far?
Siguro kung para sa experience, oo. Pero iba pa rin yung kasama si family, di ba? Tama. Pero kung experience na talaga, kasi syempre yung snow, gaganon pa sa snow. Gawa ka butter.
Pupunta ka ng North?
Yes, so punta kami siguro on 25 and 26. Pero hindi kami magstay doon. Babalik din lang kami.